Hey there, my fellow homeschooling mom. Are you feeling overwhelmed, stressed, or even a bit lost on your homeschooling journey? If so, you're not alone. I've been there. And I want you to take a deep breath because I'm here to tell you that there is a way to not just survive your homeschooling days, but actually thrive. Imagine waking up each morning excited for the day ahead, knowing that you're not just teaching your kids, you're actually inspiring a lifelong love of learning within them. Picture yourself feeling calm and confident and in control of your homeschooling environment. Sounds amazing, right? I've created a course that does just that. It's designed specifically for moms like you who are passionate about education but may feel bogged down by just the weight of expectations, curricula choices, and that nagging feeling of, am I doing this right? Am I doing enough? This course isn't just another homeschooling course filled with rigid schedules and stressful lesson plans. In fact, it's not that at all. It's about transforming the way you think about education. It's about embracing joy in learning and discovering strategies that simplify your life while enriching your kids' learning experience. With my course, you'll learn how to create a nurturing, stress-free learning environment that works for your family. You will discover tools and techniques to minimize overwhelm, make learning fun, and fit in seamlessly to your daily life.
I took the e-course, How to Take the Stress Out of Homeschooling by Kelly Crawford. I cannot tell you how helpful this course was. If you're a new homeschool mom, it's gonna put you 5 years ahead. I took this course as a mom that had been homeschooling for several years, and I still learned so many new things. This e-course gives such great tips and advice. It helps you just consolidate things and to know what you should focus on and what's not worth stressing out over and to just set aside. And it's just going to bring a lot of peace to your homeschool.
So, if you're ready to transform your approach to homeschooling, reduce that stress, and create joyful learning experiences for you and your kiddos, join me in this journey. Click the link below to get started and let's make your homeschooling dreams a reality together. You've got this. Let's turn your homeschooling journey into a beautiful adventure. I'll see you inside the course.